Greetings friends. Many times I am asked by my colleagues as to how do we use Morcelloscope with the Storz resectoscope. This video is about that only. This is the resectoscope, this is the visual obturator, inner sheath, outer sheath, working element, working insert, telescope. This is the set for the laser enucleation of prostate. Now let us assemble this. This is the visual obturator and this is the continuous irrigation rotating sheath. Once we remove the visual obturator, we will be inserting the working element. This is the working element with a laser guide. This is the rubber shot to prevent leakage. Now this is your complete laser resectoscope assembly. Once we have done the enucleation, the question comes about the morcellation. For that, I will be removing the inner sheath. The inner sheath and the telescope is removed. This is the outer sheath of the resectoscope. On this outer sheath, we will be attaching this adapter. This adapter is attached. Now this assembly we can use with the long nephroscope. This is the 26 French long nephroscope. The outer sheath of this nephroscope can also be used for morcellation, but if this sheath is already inside, what we can do is we can put this nephroscope through this outer sheath. Now this is a morcelloscope, and now this is my luminous morcellation blade. I will not demonstrate how to assemble it. I am just showing that this morcellation blade will go through this complete assembly and you can do the morcellation. So what you need in addition to the resectoscope is this long nephroscope, this adapter. And if you have this sheath, you can use this sheath for the PCNL also. Thank you. Okay.